So given where oil prices resided this past quarter, we knew that going into big oil earnings for Q2 that it was going to be a disappointment, and the story thus far has been one of significant loss, rising debt levels, massive write-downs for most of them, and in the case of at least one, a shift when it comes to dividend policy. Now, obviously, if the macro view continues to remain depressed thanks to the pandemic, it's going to require, and I quote, a comprehensive evaluation moving forward. BP's figures, by the way, they're tomorrow. And when it comes to the economic data for this week, we did get final manufacturing PMIs for Australia, China, Japan, Eurozone, and the UK. So far, most of them better than expected, most of them above 50, signifying improvement and expansion over the previous month. And when it comes to the US, by the way, they're later today, and the estimates are going to come out of both market and ISM. Now, in terms of tomorrow, those of you trading the Australian dollar, look out. That's because we got the RBA's meeting. Expectations are for no change in its current monetary policy. There's going to be some other items, including retail and trade. And when it comes to the US, we got factory orders, as well as the usual API oil inventories reading. Now, last time around, when it came to EIA's more encompassing estimate, it showed a significant 10 million plus drawdown, but they did note that overall, when viewed in the context of the 5-year average for this time of the year, it still remains above the average. We're also going to get the string of services PMIs, in this case out of market for the Eurozone, Caixin for China, and ISM for the US. Now on Thursday, those of you trading the pound could get a little bit volatile, and that's because we got the Bank of England's monetary policy announcement. Last time around, they increased asset purchases. This time around, not really expected to have any changes when it comes to their rates or asset purchases. And when it comes to the US, focus is really going to shift towards the end of the week towards employment, because we got ADP's non-farm estimate on Wednesday, we got the unemployment claims so far remaining above 1 million on Thursday, and we got the market moving non-farm payrolls on Friday. Expectations are for another increase and for the unemployment rate to drop into the 10% handle. We're also going to have some Chinese trade data. There's going to be Swiss foreign currency reserves, which last time around made a fresh record high. And when it comes to Canada, we've got employment data as well as IB's PMI. And be on the lookout for any changes when it comes to headlines. We do know that when it comes to the coronavirus, cases are approaching 20 million, so that could be a significant headline this week. And also when it comes to earnings, well, we still got some more companies releasing their Q2 figures.